Well, what are some benefits from buying the house now that we're talking about that?
Benefits. Man, there's
I love hearing the
tons
good
of benefits.
stuff.
Yeah, enough of all this legal, whatever.
Yeah, we need to jargon.
give
give all the good points, the benefits for people to why they should buy a house other than something they can just call their own.
And I don't have them in any particular order, but I mean, most people think of some of the financial benefits being obviously you're providing or you're creating a financial opportunity for yourself and your family. And that could be in many different facets, from, tax breaks, from being able to write off the mortgage interest off on your taxes. You can start building your family's wealth, just simply because you look at the simple appreciation. We didn't touch on this earlier, but the average home in Tennessee right now sells between 46 and 60 days right now. But overall, heck, we see stuff closing or selling in 1, 2, 3 days.
Oh, I get calls every day. How quick can you close this? Can you close this in a day? Can you close this in 2 days? So, yeah, we definitely see a lot of that. Some of the other deductions you talk about, people's property taxes. These are all items like the interest you say that when you do your income tax at the end of the year, you're able to get that benefit and save money to do that. And you don't get that benefit when you do something.
When you're paying rent, you're building your landlord's equity.
His book.
His retirement is what you're paying for. And right now, just recently released from the Home Price Expectation Survey, and they stated home values will appreciate by 4.1% this year alone. Now get this, the cumulative appreciation will be 18.1% by 2019.
That's a huge number.
Yes. If you're sitting there paying rent, you're not going to capture any of this increase.
No, you're going to continually pay, as we talked about in the previous segment, the increased rent fees.
Yeah.
That's just going to continually affect your income. What is that? More than people pay 50% of their income goes to 50%. Rent. At least with the house payment, if you're on a fixed rate, you're going to know what that payment's going to be from there forward, and you're going to be able to keep that payment locked in.
Right.
Even though the market's still continuing to increase.
People ask me all the time, what if I pay an extra $25 a month, $50 a month, $100 a month? People, they don't understand the power of that compounding interest. I mean, just $25 a month, Chris.
Yeah, anything you can pay extra is good.
Oh, absolutely.
And most people, if the round figure is take one payment and divide it by 12.
Right.
So if you had a $1,000 a month payment, divide it by 12, add that a month to your payment, which is less than $100 a month, and you're taking it down by years at that point in time. But if you have a bonus one month and you want to pay extra on it, interest collects every single day on this loan.
Yep.
So the quicker you pay that down, and it collects on the balance.
Yep.
So the lower that balance goes, the less interest you have to pay back. I know anybody who's owned a house or refinanced a house, they've seen that Truth in Lending that has the total payment on there, and they're like, oh man.
Scary number.
But that's a worst case scenario on the house, but still the quicker you pay that down, that's less the bank does get, so it does benefit you.